So I watched Peak Time episode 1 yesterday. A lot of people recommended it because after watching Boys Planet, it's like, you should watch Peak Time, it's better. I mean, that's their opinion, obviously. Oh, and don't worry about the red marks on my neck. I get this when I wear like chains, like something, and then I sweat, and then this is the reaction, so it'll be fine in like 2 days. But I can see why it's better. It basically gives idols a second chance, not just individual idols, it's groups. Like, these are groups that whether they disbanded or whether they are just nothing's happening for them, they want that extra push to get them to the next level, or just new groups that just want, you know, more promo. I guess it's another way of, because I guess whoever wins gets 300 million won, which is, I guess, almost $200,000 plus. You get to go on tours. I think the top 3 goes on tours, like a global tour, and just basically a lot of promo on a mainstream kind of vibe in Korea. If you correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. It's quite interesting. I feel like there was another I never watched this survival show called The Unit, where they get idols, you know, who been through, you know, the K-pop grinder, another chance to debut in a group. But this one is just like giving K-pop idol groups a chance again, like a second chance. Because sometimes in the K-pop industry, it doesn't, just because you're a K-pop idol doesn't mean you're gonna make money. You're gonna struggle. I always thought it was funny when people was like, "Oh, you should become a K-pop idol." Well, I took that with a grain of salt, obviously, but when I really thought about it, I'm like, no. First of all, I'm not talented enough. I don't have a desire to be a singer on stage or a performer on stage. Maybe like talk to people like a host, but host. I didn't say host. Host. K-pop industry is really messed up. I don't know if you guys understand. Like the not just. Oh, someone followed my Twitch. Hi. Hit waves rice. Thanks for following. I watched all this on Twitch, by the way, so you gotta go follow. I'm gonna actually watch episode 2 at 3 p.m. PST, so come through on Twitch today. But this show, which has an interesting judging like cast, like it's an interesting judging cast. I actually want more girls on there. I know Tiffany Young is like the only female, but I kind of want more. I want more female idols on this judging cast. I feel like there's too much sausage here. No disrespect, but yeah, I thoroughly enjoy the show. I mean, it's an interesting concept. Instead of like the whole like trainee that's trying to make it to this platform of this temporary group, and then after a year or 2 years they disband and then they go off on their own. This one, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I guess this gives them another extra push to this idol group. First of all, they take away their names. I kind of like figured out over time, thanks to my Twitch chat, that who is who. I won't spoil anything, but they give them the names of numbers, like 11 o'clock, 14 o'clock, 21 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Basically, it deals with time. Like that's what it's called, peak time. At least in episode 1, they give them a chance to perform whatever they want. I'm guessing there's gonna be challenges. I'm not sure. This is just based off episode 1, and it's kind of like America's Got Talent kind of thing, or I guess The Voice. I don't know. I'm not sure. Not The Voice, but America's Got Talent, where they hit their little buzz thing, not like their little they press a button and then a letter comes up. Each one of them just represents a letter that spells out peak time. So if you get 1 or 3 letters, that means you're gone. Like, damn. If you get 4 or 5 letters, that means you're on hold. That means, I guess, they want to see more of you, but you're not the best. Or you have potential, basically. And then 6 through 8, I think it is, letters. Well, if you have 8, that means you get an all peak time, or that you're like the best of right there. Or if you get like 6 or 7, that means that you pass and you're good enough, basically. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm just checking this out because a lot of people recommended it as well, and I've been enjoying it with the chat as well, which you guys should join. I'll be checking out episode 2 later today at 3 p.m. PST if you guys want to join in. And then afterwards on my Discord, we're gonna play Mario Kart, and I'm gonna beat everyone. I don't usually watch a lot of Survivor shows, but it just got my attention. I mean, I watch. It's like a guilty pleasure kind of thing. I watch it and I don't post anything about it, but it's the first time I'm actually posting and putting my thoughts into it. But yeah, the judging cast is quite interesting. Let me move my ugly ass out the way. You got like J Park, Minnow, Ryan. I mean, you already know like J Park getting like a lot. He always gets dragged on Twitter. And then Ryan, this guy, getting hella dragged on Twitter too. I don't even use Twitter. I just see what's happening in the drama world. I don't know how the judging's gonna work in the next episode. Please no spoilers, by the way. I'm just taking it episode by episode each day. And yeah, I guess check out Peak Time if you're interested. And I'm gonna be checking it out on Twitch later today at 3 p.m. PST if you don't want to watch it just by yourself. And yeah, go watch episode 1. Yeah, if it piques your interest. Ha! Peak Time. Ah, stupid. Also, I like the fact seeing like this like always like a good started from the bottom, now we hear type of story. So I'm really rooting for some of the groups over there already, and we'll see how this goes. Sometimes I know these survival shows, I try not to get too attached too much because I get really angry and I get in my emotions. I'm a rising Pisces. I think I'm a rising Pisces. Or it's my Pisces and moon. I'm a Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. So my main is Virgo. I think my moon is Capricorn or in rising Pisces, or it could be opposite. I'm not sure. But anyways, it's your boy JRE. Have a great day. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.